Centralize employee records with powerful filters for fast workforce insights. Workforce administration is centralized in the staff module, serving as the authoritative employee registry. Headcount metrics present a real-time snapshot of workforce distribution by employment type. Employee records are indexed to enable fast retrieval across the full workforce dataset. Directory segmentation isolates employees by life cycle stage for targeted review. Query logic filters the workforce by legal entity and location to support organizational analysis and compliance. View options adjust how workforce data is presented for different review contexts. Attribute-based filtering narrows results to accelerate auditing and workforce validation. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.